Hello friends, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today's topic is in Java, is a relationship and has a relationship. So let us see what is a relationship. Is a relationship we are achieving with inheritance. Is a relationship we are achieving with inheritance. So this is a relationship we are achieving with what? With inheritance. So inheritance gives the is a relationship. Is a relationship. How is it giving? Let's say you have um, a if you have a parent class, a super class, and subclass. Let us write that. This is my this is my address class. Okay, address class. And after some time, I have created a latest address class. Okay, latest address class. So this I have derived from address class. So this I have derived from address class, right? This I have derived from address class. So when we say address class, latest address is a address. So this is a latest address is a address. Latest address is a address. Is it making sense? Yes, it is making sense. Latest address is a address. This is a relationship in Java. So in Java, is a relationship is giving inheritance is giving that feature. So latest address is a address. So this we are achieving with inheritance. So how do you inherit a class? Using the keyword called extends, right? So using the keyword called extends, so we achieve the inheritance, right? So latest address is a address. Latest address is a address. This is a relationship. I hope you understood. In the previous session, in the inheritance, if you see, we have seen all this, how to inherit a class from the base class. So how the properties are inheriting all the stuffs we have seen. If you have not seen that video, please see that video. By that you will understand what is inheritance. So here just a concept. Is a relationship means, so when you derive a class, the child will be easier to the parent. So latest address is a address, is a relationship. So the next one is has a relationship, has a relationship. So this we will discuss. So let's say this is my employee dot employee class. Okay, employee. This is my employee class. So in employee, right, we'll have some properties. Employee name, right? So we'll write. So we'll have properties like employee name, string, name, int, age, and then int salary. All these are his properties. So employee can also have address. Employee can also can have address. So that address, if you take as of now, I wanted to give address as his email address, street, state, country, pin code, all this stuff. If you declare in the employee class only, it will become more properties. And to make it reusable, let's say I wanted to use address in some other place also, then I have to declare there also address, right? So what I will do instead of that, I will I will create a address class. I will create a address class. This is my address class. This is my address class. So inside this my address class, this is my address class. So inside my address class, I'll put all the properties. String, street, then string pin code, then string country, then like this I'll declare everything, right? All the properties. So this can be put everywhere. So how do you use this address inside my employee? So as a property. So using a has a relationship, we can achieve that. What we can do is we can have a property address equals to address like this. The property name. This is called as employee has a address. Employee has a address. So this is the relationship has a relationship. Employee employee has a address. Employee has a address. This is the has a relationship. Employee has a address. So this is the has a relationship. Got it? So this is also called as composition and aggregation in Java. This is also called as composition and aggregation in Java. So employee has a address. The benefit what we are getting here is, so instead of putting all the properties in the same employee class, if we keep it aside, this address class can be used like this everywhere. So that is the biggest benefit using the has a relationship. Has a relationship or a composition or aggregation. So this is the biggest use. We can reuse the reusability purpose only. Even is a relationship. So on top in the base class, we'll have some properties. We wanted to reuse it. That is why we are going a is a relationship. So all these are reusable techniques. Okay. So employee has a address. This is the has a relationship. Okay. You got it? So you understood? So employee has a relationship. Employee has a address. So let us see how it works. Okay. Quickly. So what I'll do, I'll create a small application and then show you to make you more easily understand. So I'm creating here src and then classes. And then inside this, I will be writing a program. What I will write, class employee. So here I will write, let me save this. I'm saving this. Where should I save? Inside my just created app is a has a. So here I'll save it. Right guys? So what I will have here, string name int age and then int salary. Right? So what I'll do, I'll have a constructor also. So this constructor, I want it. As of now, this constructor will be like this. String name, comma, int age, comma, int salary. This is my constructor. And then inside this dot name is equals to name, and then this dot age equals to age, and then this dot salary is equals to salary. This is my class. So there is nothing inside this as of now. So I will we can have it. Now what we had discussed, address is a as a class. So first we'll write address class. So what I'll do, I'll create one more class. Class address. So this is my class. So let me save this address.java, right? So here string street and then string state and then string country. These are the three properties. Now I wanted to use this in my employee class. So address, this is the property name. So this is the class name and this is the property name. So we can give any name for the property. So as of now I'm giving address only. So this is the relationship. Employee has an address, has a relationship. Okay. So is a relationship in the previous session we have seen already. So this is has a relationship. Employee has an address. So now how this is how we use it. Now I wanted to use in the as part of constructor also. Now what I will do, address and then inside this dot address is equals to address, right? This is my composition variable instance assignment. Okay, we have to pass address object. We have to pass address object and then we are assigning the address here. So this is the second class employee and employee has a address. So now I'll write one more class which is a manager class, right? Which will have main method. So inside this public static void main string args. So this is my main method. So let me save this. So how do you say this? Manager.java. So inside this, what I will do, I'll create an employee object. Employee emp is equals to new employee. So here, can I create an object using default constructor? There is no default constructor inside this employee. So I have to create an object using the parameterized constructor. What are the parameters here? The parameter is name, age, and then salary. This we can give directly here. So name is Nayab and then age is 35 and then salary is something, right? So this much. This three, if you give, it will compile, it will not compile because it is expecting one other uh, variable also, right? The parameter, address parameter. How do we need to give that address parameter? First, we have to create an address object. Address equals to new address. So inside this address, we can have a constructor. So which will assign these three properties. String, street, comma, string, state, comma, string, country, right? So this is my address constructor. So why I am writing this? Just to assign some values. Otherwise it will print all nulls. We don't want null, right? So this is my address class constructor. So how I have to create an object like this. So street is BTM and then state is Karnataka and just writing KA and then country is India. This is my address class object creation. So this reference I'm going to pass it. Okay, this reference I'm going to pass it. Guys, you understood? Now I am printing, I am going to have some SOPs. System dot out dot print ln. So here I wanted to print name. Name is, how can I print name? Emp dot name, right? That's how I can print. So similarly, I just copy paste this for 5-6 times because we have 6 properties, right? After that we'll change. So name, age, and then salary, here salary, and then address, right? So address, street. So how can we get the address property? Employee dot and then address dot and then street we have to give like this. So similar way I have to call this. So inside employee there is a property called address. That property we are calling here. Employee dot address dot street, employee dot address dot state, and then employee dot address dot country. So this is the way we can call the has a relationship properties. Got it? This is the way we can call it. See guys, I'll summarize one more time. So employee class is having 3 normal properties and one has a relationship. So which is a address. Address class is having 3 more properties and a constructor, right? And now manager class is having a main method. I'm creating an object for address class, and then I'm creating an object for employee class by passing the address class as a parameter. And then I'm printing. So these things we have seen earlier. Now accessing a composition, accesses a composition class variables is like this. The actual object and then the composition object reference and then the composition object properties. Okay, this is how we can call the composition or has a relationship properties. See, guys, if you see here, so it's a our own class. It's a custom class. Custom class we are using as data type. So these are data types, right? String, age, sorry, string, int. All these are data types. Now address is also a data type here, right? We have used address as a data type. So classes, custom classes also can be used as data types. So string is like that. String is a class written by Java. String is a class written by JDK people. So that class we are using as a data type here, right? Got it? Yeah. So this is a composition is a has a relationship. Sorry. So this is a has a relationship. Employee has a address. Employee has an address. Okay. So now what we will do, we'll compile all and then run it. So we have all the classes. So I'll go to here. Now what I will do, Java C -d dot slash classes and then I will do star.java. So it should compile everything if there are no any typos. Sorry guys, it is having a typo C here. So where it is? It is in manager line number 12. So manager line number 12. So here I have typed wrongly. 2 times I have given. So I'll remove this. Okay. So now it should be fine, right? So employee address and state, employee address and state, employee address and country. Let us go and compile again. It got compiled. So once you get compiled, what we will get? We will get the output in output as dot class files. Everything is generated in dot class. Now, so I will go to dot class file. I cannot run address and employee because there is no main method. I can run manager class. See here, now it is printed. Name, age, salary, address, street, address, country. That's it, guys. This is the composition. This is the composition. This is the composition. I hope you understood. If you have not understood or if you want more information regarding other topics, please comment me, give me your feedback. By that, I will do that some videos on that. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you.